In this video, we're going to see if it's possible to add cross-platform friends on Warframe. Is it possible? Is it not? Let's find out. If you are playing Warframe as of recent, you might have heard the news about cross-platform or cross-play being finally enabled. As you can see here, cross-platform play is a feature meant to unite the Origin system once and for all, or bringing together team from across the globe and across platforms to play together. If you scroll down, they also have a guide on how to enable the crossplay feature, so make sure you go into your settings, the system settings, and you find the cross-platform play setting in the options menu. This will allow you to join squads and use the public matchmaking to complete missions together. However, one question that players have is how to add cross-platform friends. And as you can see, as it is stated by this person on the official Warframe forum, the new cross-platform play still doesn't have friend support. The Warframe devs have talked about this and said that they might address this in the future, but as of today, on March of 2023, it is currently impossible to add cross-platform play friends. You can only join up and squad up, but sadly you won't be able to add each other as of today. The purpose of this video is not to spread misinformation, but to let people be aware that the crossplay feature inside Warframe still doesn't support friends. If this video cleared up any questions you had, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.